Hey guys, it's LasithKArt here, back with another painting video, and today I'm going to be painting this lovely flower taken in one of the many gardens at the Getty Museum in LA in the US. Now, quick background check. The Getty Museum is named after Paul Getty, who was the richest man in the States in the 60s. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Alright. So to start off, I'm doing a practice sketch of the flower using cadmium yellow for the center of the flower, cadmium red and titanium white in oil paints for the petals, blended together to make a crimsony pink color, and white highlights at the edge of the petal. And I'm also doing a quick sketch of the background using blue for the sky and a dark green mixture for the background for the leaves and etc. And also painting in some background flowers using cadmium yellow. Now I'm doing a quick sketch of this on the canvas, highlighting each of the petals and the flower and each of the flowers surrounding the main flower. So in a minute we'll get the palette cam rolling and we'll start the actual painting itself. So I'm using acrylics first, primary blue for the corners of the sky and acrylic white blended together to make a light blue. And for the background surrounding the main flower, I'm using a dark green mixture using cadmium red, cadmium yellow light, only a tiny bit, and primary blue. Now I'm using a lot of primary blue to make the mixture dark, and so the flower itself stands out in the middle. Now I'm going over this area to show some leaves, etc. in the bushes, using a light green mixture over the top of the dark green, and I'm highlighting some of the flowers surrounding the main flower using cadmium yellow, still in acrylics, and adding some shadows to this using a mixture of primary blue and cadmium red. Now I'm adding some further highlights to the bushes using a lighter green, using more acrylic white and cadmium yellow light than usual, and I'm adding some flowers and bushes, flowers in the bushes surrounding the main flower using a pinkish mixture. Alright, so now I'm starting the main flower itself, and I'm using a mixture of phthalo blue and crimson red to give it that extra dark color you can see at the base of the petals. And I'm working my way outwards using more and more titanium white and cadmium red, getting lighter where the sun's shining on the edges of the petals and the highlights are shown better. And I'm painting the center of the flower using a mixture of cadmium yellow and a bit of cadmium red in oil paints, by the way. And I'm highlighting that with a bit of titanium white. And I finish off some of the highlights on the petals and do my signature. And we're done. Alright, so that brings us finally to the end of this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Spring Flowers at Full Bloom. And as always, I hope you guys check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And I hope you guys like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. So thanks for watching and see you next time.